है ना मेरा इन्वर्टेड ट्रायंगल ओब्लॉन्ग फेस है मेरा
हो गया स्टार्ट।
यस सर यस सर यस सर चलो संडे संडे स्ट्रीम ओ भाई मेरा 50% डेटा हो गया
Okay, so there's just one simple task for today. Just focus on that. Okay.
लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर कमेंट
Okay. So the task would be to decide on the now for this we have several options. Abhi check the quality, so we are not.
यस सर
Oh, I don't want to share this music here. Should not.
भाई कॉपीराइट करवा दोगे हटाओ से
Hmm. हटा देंगे साढ़े में पर
मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही है नहीं आ रही है
Option will be to either self-host
यस सर
or use open API. Open AI API. It's an option. Or we could. What are other options? What do you think?
We have the option of self-hosting. We have to use OpenAI API. We can use Perplexity's Open API for web
Mm-hmm.
scraping purposes and everything like else like that. Could be a good idea.
Oh, and what would be the task of this API? That depends on the task
Yeah,
that
uh,
will be performing, right?
yeah. We have to design a prompt for the functionality we choose to deliver, right?
So basically, its task would be to create a curated learning content, learning roadmap,
Yeah.
right? And for this, it'll need information about the existing learning resources, info about the person, info about the need the ability to curate as per the person.
Yeah, I think all of these functionalities are dependent upon the prompt. I don't think we need to write it.
Okay,
Yeah.
but this is a must, right? Because the learning resources, if we are opting for
Yeah, we have
something,
to. Yeah, we have to. You know, get a API which is accessing the internet and stuff
yeah,
for latest resources, and we also have to verify that all the resources are all the links are valid and stuff before providing them to the user.
access to the internet links are valid. What else? There's Bing API that we can use, Copilot.
Yeah, Bing API could be a good idea. Perplexity could be a good idea. Uh, even ChatGPT 4.0 has access to the internet, right?
Yeah, Bing AI, Perplexity.
ChatGPT 4.0 is a good idea because
Well,
I
how
think
will
ChatGPT.
we? We'll have to see and compare them, just our own
Yeah,
testing before deciding on any one phone.
access to doll image generation. Do we need anything visualization like? Do we need to have an API for image generative AI for some
Image
visualization or anything like
image generation. For what aspect are you? For which part of the application? I don't think we need anything.
some kind of visual guide or something like that to generate a flowchart of things, a
That's
roadmap.
done
Roadmap.
programmatically via the information that the
Yeah, we
Yeah,
could write
code,
a code for that. Yeah. Right.
right?
Okay.
What are the other things that will definitely need the AI to perform? Like it should have access to the internet links, should be valid, information about
Uh,
the existing learning resources to guide the
yeah.
user.
So what? So let's take a scenario. What if the user gave the AI a question regarding their web dev journey, right?
Yeah,
So what if he gave that prompt 2 hours ago and then he came back after some time? The AI should remember everything, right?
but
Their
the
preferences and other stuff.
what I'm thinking is for the memory part, it'll also be done programmatically. Like we'll record whatever conversations we've
So
had.
we have to record the conversation and provide the AI with the prompt again for
Yeah,
the conversation.
yeah, it'll be like some sort of an artificial memory
But
that we're generating.
can we have different AI storage or something like that?
4O has now a memory feature. I
Yeah.
just tried it, where if you say to it like I'll be following this roadmap, it'll update its memory so the question that you might ask the AI later in the later stages will refer
So
back to
yeah,
its
we
memory.
can. So if there's a solution like this for using the API method, so we
Maybe
can
just
provide
let me write
something,
this.
some details in the auth headers, and it can access the previous conversation with that specific auth
Maybe a memory
automatically
feature.
without storing. Yeah, because
Maybe a memory.
providing the conversation again and again after the user comes back is going to be is going to be redundant, right?
Yeah. For
I don't think we
self-hosting,
should
what
opt for
are
that.
options? I just know the
Llama
llama.
is Llama one, yeah. The Llama one is Gemini self-hostable.
I'm not sure. We'll have to see.
Gemini
Self.
self-hosting. Is an
Oh,
individual
is that
self-host a
in
Gemini? Yes, Gemini is self-hostable. Streamline your work with Gemini today. It's really expensive though. $850 for 10 users. It is a one-time payment.
Do you remember? Do you remember that website for AI stuff that I shared with you one time, where I was for image generation? They were providing APIs.
For no.
No, let me just search it. It was from that web Imaginify something. Maybe Java from JavaScript mastery.
Have you ever looked at jaw
Uh,
dropping 3D websites?
it was this. From the podcast. 3D content. Yeah, this
Have you ever wanted to build a real software as a service
Cloudinary AI.
application with
Yeah,
AI
there you
features?
go.
Cloudinary, yeah.
Yeah, the solution they are providing.
Streamline media management improve user experience by automatically delivering images and videos.
Just I'll write this in a callout if you are trying to use image modification, then we'll switch to
Yeah,
Cloudinary.
for tracking and stuff, right? For their go progress for learning. should the AI have image scanning features or some video scanning features so it can automatically track what the user has done or what skills the user acquired?
Though for the practical skill test, we haven't fleshed
Yeah,
out that feature yet in much detail. So for now, I'll write this maybe a memory feature and an image reading feature. That makes sense,
I
right?
think it would be a good idea to
Is
scan the
this a
project
mandatory?
automatically. No, I don't think for the initial product I don't think it's that necessary, but for version 2 and version 3, if we're going to proceed with the idea or the problem, I think it's a
Yeah.
good initiative. It should be a good initiative.
Yeah, Daddy Chan is asking for crazy username by the way. But what are we making? So uh, we're just trying to figure out what
God damn.
AI we can use for one of our
We're trying to
solutions.
solve a problem for entrepreneurship, right, related to entrepreneurship and their learning. We're trying to, you know, clear their learning path using some AI and stuff.
Okay.
We're still trying to find a particular idea though. We
Yeah, it's just a problem that we found so far. Okay, so let's just ask Perplexity what it thinks. We just need to create the curated learning roadmap and these things. What other abilities are necessary?
connecting to people, right?
Oh yeah,
Would the AI be helpful?
ability
I
to
think um, I think to
research
scrape
people
scrape data
who are skilled in
in the
some of
field set.
the field sets that the AI response contains, so that the user can connect. Okay. Is there any other task?
Hmm.
Just try to imagine. So once we feed it the information, we create the learning roadmap.
So should the AI be trainable with our own data and stuff?
Yeah, self-hosting, maybe self-host plus
Yeah, so I think if we can acquire
self-trained.
data for our purpose and features, I think it would be a good idea to train the AI.
Yes, or yeah, it'll be a good idea. But at least we'll be training a pre-trained model. So we'll be training, let's say,
Yeah,
Llama 3, right? So it'll still have all
yeah,
the context, but it'll be more specialized to our use case,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
right? So yeah, okay. Let's just ask yeah what it thinks the best AI would be. Medium
Alright, self-hosting or self-trained too.
and
Actually,
choosing the best.
I cannot see your perplexity screen.
Okay, let me just reshare it. Let me see it now.
Yes, sir.
I will need your help in choosing the
When
best weighted solution. Some of ones we have identified so far. These, right?
yeah,
And
we need
let's see
more
more detail about our
ops.
core features,
I need
right?
more.
Let's feed it that as well.
We have given the detail about our core feature.
But still,
I don't think it's necessary.
so let's try it.
Searching.
I think it understood
It can
something.
validate too. It can validate the links too. It is validating all the links. If you tell it to validate the links, it is.
Yeah. The his advice on not spending too much time researching, I 100% agree with that. That's why we won't
Yeah,
spend much time researching about this
yeah. That's the
after this, right?
mistake we've been making for the last year.
Right.
So we won't be. We're just gonna make it quick. We're just gonna do it in a week or so.
Yeah.
All the thing. Not gonna take much time. Uh, the fuck. Use OpenAI API. AI integration. Consider Bing API. Yo, what?
I don't
It
think
just reiterated what we wrote.
I want
Give
you
me more.
to
Give me more AI API idea. And other stuff.
provide me with a comparison table comparing all the options we can utilize with the drawbacks, estimated cost. What else?
About all available AI option, advantages, estimated costs, and trainability or not.
Um,
Self-hosting and trainability
would that
um,
be in the advantages, right?
feature.
Just write this, right?
Yeah, yeah. Was there update in perplexity? It does not. It did not use to do these things. Step by step research.
No,
Hmm?
I've been seeing this since a week.
I haven't used it for a long time.
Okay.
Face, Twilight, Eyes of Wisdom.
Oh man,
Open
20,
API. Hmm?
20 per user per month.
That's why nobody uses Microsoft or Edge. Gemini, Perplex. Give me some more ideas. What the fuck is it talking about?
Give me 15 different options in that table.
Knowledge about AI. Uh, typically high. God damn. Free for open source model.
360 learning,
60 learning. May require integration with existing system. Varies depend based on plan. Pricing not provided. Learn upon learning 360 learning.
What's 360 learning?
Yeah. 360. The first comprehensive learning platform. Future. C60 learning is for employee onboarding, compliance training, sales enablement, customer training, frontline
Do,
staff, and software training.
do they provide an API?
Train your sales team within 1-to-1 ratio.
I don't think.
But
No.
yeah, I don't see an API option for the AI.
Just
Yeah,
feel
I think
like
the first five are the best option that we found out.
I think I don't know why, but I'm preferring Llama.
The Llama we have used before, right? And it is also trainable and self-hostable. So,
Yeah.
and Perplexity, I think Perplexity should also be a good option if we can get the API for a reasonable cost. Let me just check.
Let me just highlight which ones I think. Yes.
Perplexity API.
OpenAI GPT-4 is always one of those best options, right?
Yeah.
So
Perplexity API. PPLX API. Welcome to PPLX API reference. Let me get the price of rate limits.
Google
Request
also
rate limit,
does.
token rate limits, open source. There are some open source models too. Llama 3, it is using Llama 3 as an as an open source model.
Perplexity.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the LLM part, using that. I think Llama is pretty good.
Sonar small 320K. So there are some options for Llama that are connected to the internet.
How to connect Llama to the
Llama.
internet?
Llama.
Llama.
I think Llama 3 web something is connected to the internet. Llama 32K online, right? Llama 3 Sonar Lab 32K online. It's a 30% seem to be remainder of past few paragraph. It is the content limited to 1K. Perplexity has announced the launch of its new Perplexity model, Llama 3 Sonar Small. So they just trained the Llama API or Llama AI
Look
to
at
make
this.
Perplexity.
This open source. Just keep it there. This is open source. I'm not sure about the pricing. Let's see. For the pricing, it's like
We need some. We need to spend some dollars testing out stuff,
yeah.
testing out different AIs and stuff. Instruction management complex. Yeah, I think it is suiting our use case. This AGIXT model. Let me just search for it more. But I think Llama also can also do the job. Automation Gen 2. We can. Yeah, the AGIXT has integrated web search. If we can get the API key for it, it would be huge. API. Give me the API dog. installation, git clone. We have to clone the repo. Triple check Docker and Docker installation. Usage Python start by and locally. Local AI. I think we can run this AGIXT thing locally and get the API to.
Yeah, we'll have to know more about this, right?
Yo, my
It
data is
looks
out.
super cool. It's more, yeah, I think it's powerful
Yeah,
with many use cases, right? It has,
yeah,
see, in the key features, it has web browsing and command execution.
yeah.
It let
Web
it to even
browsing,
open it
task management. I think it is best suited for our use case too.
and smart task
For planning
management even,
strategy,
right?
yeah, yeah, planning strategies too, and conversation continuity.
Yeah,
What the problem we faced.
solid option, right?
Yeah, we have to research more about this AI, how to use it and stuff.
Cool. Let me just open these citations. Okay, options to consider. Uh, should we look at anything else apart from AGIXT, AIXT pricing?
There's some documentation for it too. Quick start. Provide the following prerequisite based on the operating system you are. Git Docker Python 3.10.
Hmm.
What is the pricing? I want to know the pricing for it.
Pricing, I think internally it uses an open API or any other LLM,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. And
But
it tailors that
we,
LLM to the specific use
yeah,
case it offers, right?
yeah, we'll have to test it for
So,
sure.
so this specific should not have any price, right? Only we have to
Yes,
buy
look at the
other
providers.
API. Yeah, yeah, that's what I'm saying. The Azure Open API, the Google ChatGPT for free.
So GPT for free is we don't know where the data is going, so it's not a safe option. But for testing, it should be okay.
Yeah. So we can set different LLMs, and it is going to tailor the LLMs to
Yeah,
its use case, and then we can you call this that LLM, the specific LLM using this platform,
yeah.
right?
I think we've
So it
got
will act
something
as a
going now.
mediator. Yeah.
So
So it will
now if
act as
I
a mediator, right? So
yeah,
it is not a AI. It is not a LLM, right? It is just
just tailoring it to our needs,
mediate. Yeah, yeah.
which
It's
is
a
what we need,
mediator.
right?
Yeah. So we are going
Can
to train it in our own way,
right, yeah.
right? I think it works.
Local model expectations, things to consider. We'll have to just try and see about this, right? What
Yeah, we have
else?
to test out different stuff.
Yeah. Should we consider other options similar to AAGIXC?
Yeah, let's look into some other options too. EGIXC alternatives. AGIC, a local automation platform for memory and smart GPT like prompting. Works with GPT-4 and all and more. I should probably clarify this is not my project. Millions and software. First of all, you input task and it creates to-do list and take the steps to accomplish the task. It can search web and scrape website, read local file, write and execute code. It can use
So
different AI providers like ChatGPT, Bing, GPT-4, OBA, etc.
what are you reading right now?
Uh, I'm reading a Reddit thread. It can learn from files, ingest from them, and long term into memory context.
Can you share the Reddit thread with me? So this might work for our use case, correct?
Yeah.
Just have to
Well,
try.
people are saying in Reddit it's not really, finished. It has some major bugs while connected
Yeah,
to
but
different.
that was like a year ago, thread even, right?
Yeah.
And the founder of this project, he also commented on the same thread. I'll share you that thread.
I think if you can connect with the founder,
See this?
we could get a little bit more details about how we can use it in our own use case, right?
Yeah.
मैं ऊपर ही गया था.
Hmm. What are other options? Let me just search perplexity. Alternative. We can use.
I'm not seeing any other options other than this.
No.
No.
But it
So I think
has
we have
what we
to.
want plus more, right?
There's a video the owner shared or uploaded to set up and use this model.
Can you share the
Yeah,
video
yeah.
with me?
Drop the link. Right.
Cool.
So what we did is we found out a mediator like thing that tailors a model to a specific use
Alright,
case.
we'll get started by cloning
And we
repo.
found a documentation for it. We found a Reddit thread related to it,
There's
and we
that.
also found a YouTube video for this
Setting up.
setup. Yeah, yeah. I think that
Now,
should be it.
Add some additional input to
Uh,
that, like make
a
now
short
we
stream.
just need to
Yeah,
test the mod.
test this thing now. Yeah, I think we're going to be testing this thing in this week
Yeah.
by the end of the week, right?
This can go in parallel uh, to the landing page process
Yeah,
because
yeah. The
I
landing
don't
page
think
process
it's
and the
dependent,
testing.
right? Yeah.
Yeah, we can we have other alternatives like Llama API and other stuff. So
Yeah.
if this doesn't work, we don't have to worry. It's not
Yeah,
a
but
major thing.
still, if it works, then it'll be a huge help because it'll inspire our
Yeah,
future projects as well, right? We
yeah,
could use it since it's open source. Doesn't have any price associated with it per se. Like an open
yeah,
source project we can use,
yeah.
right? Cool. So I'll end the stream now. Thanks for joining.
Okay, quick stream. Thank you. Bye bye, guys.